Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to hide the dog until you move your cursor to it. So if you want your dog to stay out of the way while you are using your Mac, you don't have to hide it manually every time. macOS includes a built-in option to automatically hides the dog and shows it again only when you move the cursor to the edge of the screen where the dog was previously placed. This helps maximize your available workspace while keeping the dog just a quick mouse movement away. So if you'd like to use this feature, first click on the Apple logo and choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, go to Desktop and Dock, and here enable the toggle light to automatically hide and show the dog. And after enabling this option, the dog will disappear automatically, and whenever you need it, simply move to the cursor to the edge of the screen where the dog was located, and it will instantly slide back into the view. And that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.